Hello. Is this seat free now?
Yes, it is. Please sit down.
Thank you. This flight is very long, isn't it? Are you going to London?
Yes, London. And you are going there too?
Me too. I'm Liam Chen. It is nice to meet you.
I am Kenji Tanaka. It is nice to meet you, Liam.
So, Kenji, what is the main reason for your trip to England?
It's mostly for work. My company, a software firm in Tokyo, is starting a new office in London. I am on the first team to set things up. We use AI to plan how goods are shipped around the world.
AI for shipping. That sounds very advanced. Japan always seems to be building new technology.
We work hard to make shipping better and faster for big companies. It is a tough job, but I like it. What kind of work do you do, Liam?
I have a large factory in Guangzhou, China. We make many consumer electronic products, small machines and smart home devices. I am going to London for a big trade show to find new buyers in Europe.
Selling electronics is a huge business. Do you sell a lot to Europe already?
Yes, Europe is very important because people there love smart home products. The trade show is key for getting more big sales. The market is hard, but our factories in China are very efficient.
I know. Chinese manufacturing is very fast. Do you have many problems now with the cost of shipping or finding materials?
We have big problems with costs. Fuel prices go up, and sometimes we can't get certain parts fast enough. That's why your AI work is so important. Can your system guess problems before they happen?
Exactly. We use computers to read information about the weather, how busy the ports are, and news about factory delays. Then we predict where a shipment might stop and suggest a better way to send it. This saves our clients money.
That's wonderful. A small problem can stop my whole factory. So, how many months will you live in London for the new office?
I think about 6 months, maybe up to 9. It is a big project to start everything. After that, I will live in Tokyo again, but I will fly back to London often to check on the team. I'm happy to live in a new city for a while.
6 months is enough time to explore. Have you traveled to England before now?
I went once for a very short work conference, but never to London. I want to see all the historical places and try the local food. Do you have any suggestions for me?
London is great for food. You must try the Indian restaurants there. They are famous. For work dinners, a nice pub with good food is a relaxing place to meet people.
Thank you for the tips. I will try them. How often do you fly abroad for your company?
I fly internationally maybe 6 times a year, plus many short trips in China. London is just once a year for the trade show. That week is always busy with many meetings.
That sounds tiring. How do you deal with jet lag?
I laugh. It's difficult. I try to drink a lot of water on the plane and force myself to go to sleep at the new time right when I arrive. Coffee helps a lot. What do you do?
I do the same thing. Stay hydrated. I also make sure my first day has easy meetings so my brain doesn't get tired too fast. Do you have a family?
Yes, I have a wife and 2 young children in Guangzhou. It is hard to be away from them. We talk every day on video calls. My wife understands that my job requires me to travel. I try to spend a lot of time with them when I am home.
That is important. I don't have children yet, but my girlfriend and I both work very busy jobs. She works in digital marketing. We also try hard to find time together.
Digital marketing is also changing fast because of AI. Do you two talk about how AI affects your different jobs?
All the time. She is learning how AI can make her advertisements better and help her find the right customers faster. It is interesting that our 2 different jobs are both using the same new technology.
I agree. AI will soon change every job. Well, Kenji, this has been a very good conversation. I learned much about shipping. Would you like to exchange business cards before we land? Maybe our companies can work together in the future.
I would like that very much, Liam. I was thinking the same thing. I'm interested to learn more about how AI could help your factory.